Welcome to this guided meditation, a journey to quiet your inner critic and cultivate deep inner peace and unshakable confidence. The inner critic, the voice that doubts, judges, and holds you back, can often feel loud and overpowering. But today, we're going to gently turn down that voice and replace it with self-compassion, encouragement, and love. Through mindfulness, visualization, and affirmations, we'll create a space where you can reconnect with your true self, the part of you that is wise, strong, and inherently worthy. Find a comfortable position where you can relax completely. Close your eyes and allow yourself to let go of the outside world. This time is for you, a gift of self-care and transformation. Take a deep breath in and exhale, releasing tension. Let's begin. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your inhale and exhale flowing naturally. No need to change it, just observe. As you breathe, let each inhale fill you with calm energy, and let each exhale carry away stress or tension. Feel your body becoming heavier, sinking into the surface beneath you. Now, scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine these areas softening, releasing any tightness. Picture a warm, golden light surrounding you, a safe and nurturing energy. This light begins to gently envelop you, making you feel protected and at ease. With every breath, you are sinking deeper into relaxation, creating a space of calm within your mind and body. Let's gently turn our focus to the inner critic. This is the voice inside that speaks out of fear or self-doubt. It's the voice that sometimes makes you question your worth or abilities. Take a moment to observe your thoughts. Imagine this voice as a separate entity, not you, but a part of your mind trying in its own way to protect you. Visualize this voice as a small cloud floating in front of you. Notice its tone and the kinds of things it says. There's no need to judge or push it away. Simply acknowledge its presence with curiosity and compassion. Silently affirm, I see my inner critic for what it is, a voice, not my truth. I choose to observe with kindness, not judgment. Remember, this voice does not define you. It is one part of your experience, and today we will quiet it to let your true self shine through. Now, imagine the golden light around you growing stronger, brighter, and warmer. This light represents your true self, your wisdom, love, and inner peace. Visualize the cloud of your inner critic gently dissolving into this golden light. With each inhale, the light becomes more vibrant, and with each exhale, the voice of your critic fades into silence. If thoughts from the inner critic arise, acknowledge them and let them float away like leaves on a stream. Say to yourself, I release the voice of my inner critic. I am free from judgment and self-doubt. Feel the golden light filling the space where the inner critic once resided. This light is your truth, a calm, confident, and compassionate self. Let it expand, radiating warmth and strength through your entire being. Now that you've quieted the inner critic, let's focus on building inner confidence and self-belief. Picture yourself standing tall, surrounded by this golden light. See yourself as confident, capable, and radiant. Imagine how it feels to carry this confidence in your everyday life. Silently affirm, I am strong, capable, and worthy. I trust myself and my abilities. I deserve peace, love, and success. With each affirmation, feel your confidence growing, anchoring deeply within you. Know that this confidence comes from your true self and is always available to you, no matter the circumstances. Let's now deepen your sense of inner peace. Visualize a calm, serene lake on a still day. The surface is smooth, reflecting the golden light of your inner truth. Imagine your mind becoming as calm and clear as this lake. No ripples, no disturbances, just peaceful stillness. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. My mind is calm, my heart is at peace. I release what I cannot control and embrace serenity. I am grounded, centered, and whole. Feel this peace settling into every corner of your being, creating a sanctuary within you that nothing can disturb. This is your inner refuge, a place of calm you can return to whenever you need. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to anchor the peace and confidence you've cultivated. Place your hands over your heart and silently express gratitude for this time of self-care and growth. Thank yourself for showing up, for being open to change, and for allowing your true self to shine through. Take a deep breath in, filling yourself with golden light, and exhale, grounding this energy into your heart. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if it feels good, and open your eyes. You are calm, confident, and centered. Carry this energy with you, knowing that your true self is always there, ready to guide and support you. Namaste.